Hot Wheels Boulevard 2024 Mix 2 brings together 5 highly detailed and collectible models, continuing the premium Boulevard series tradition of offering both modern and classic cars. Here's a deeper look at the models in Mix 2. (2021) Toyota GR Supra. This version of the GR Supra is based on its use as a camera car in Formula Drift. It's equipped with a Canon camera rig, making it not only a performance car, but also essential for capturing high-speed action. '60s Fiat 500D Modificado, a modified classic Italian car from the 1960s. This Fiat 500D comes with a custom design. The mint green color and gelato-inspired graphics give it a charming retro look. Mitsubishi 3000 GT VR4, a sleek sports car from the 1990s. This Mitsubishi 3000 GT VR4 in dark aqua showcases its sporty features, including a twin-turbo V6 engine. The bronze wheels add a standout touch, making this a great representation of Japanese car culture. Nissan Skyline GTR BNR32, known as Godzilla for its dominance in motorsport. This white BNR32 Skyline GTR is a collector's dream. The detailed design honors one of the most iconic cars from Nissan's lineup and is a must-have for Skyline fans. Lamborghini Countach LPI 804, marking the 100th release in the Boulevard series. This model pays tribute to the modern Lamborghini Countach. With a stunning color scheme and highly detailed features, this supercar celebrates Lamborghini's revival of a legend with futuristic touches. This mix is exclusive to Walmart stores, making these models highly desirable for Hot Wheels enthusiasts. The Boulevard series stands out for its premium metal die-cast bodies and Real Riders rubber tires, ensuring both visual and tactile appeal for collectors.